I'm officially a criminal.
It has finally happened. Vegan Booty, aka Tash Peterson, one of the most insane vegans on the internet, has been ruled a criminal by the court of law in Australia. And is anybody really surprised here? Vegan Booty is of course known for her insane protesting where she disturbs the public peace just to get her vegan message across. From dropping fake blood in a KFC to screaming and shouting at kids' birthday parties, Tash Peterson has done it all. And the police have confronted her multiple times already during those protests. Multiple cases were already made up against Vegan Booty, but now she actually posted a new video where she was ruled a criminal. So let's watch that one together and be informed how this insane vegan lunatic was finally caught in the court of law.
Hey guys, I just got back from court and all my proceedings are over for the meantime, and I'm officially a criminal for trying to expose the animal holocaust.
So you heard it here first, folks. She's officially a criminal, and we'll get to the details later, but I think this is a big fucking win for Australia, counting her as an actual criminal. And this is not only because I don't like eating vegan hamburgers or whatever, this is because I think Tash Peterson was genuinely toxic. Whatever you support in society, the fight for gay rights, the fight against retards, or in this case the fight against using animals as food, I think you should let your voice be heard, always. But if you break the law in the process, and if you literally make the lives hard for people just going about their daily lives, as that is just a shitty freaking thing to do, and that's exactly why Vegan Booty also should be charged.
So I'm just doing this video to give you an update as to what's going on. Monty, oh he's so cute. For those who don't know, this is Monty.
Yeah, I think that I speak for everyone when I say that the dog in the video is pretty cute, because well, dogs are just awesome, all-loving creatures. But at the same time, I feel kinda sad for it, that the dog will probably never get some proper dog food from this lady, as she will only give him vegan stuff probably. But this is of course all getting really off topic right here, and we really just want to know what Tash Peterson was charged for, and what will happen next continuing forward.
Anyway, I've been convicted for both charges of disorderly conduct because apparently my language and behaviour is offensive to people and that I'm deliberately trying to offend people. So that's what the magistrate said today.
Wow, it seems like people finally see what Tash Peterson is really all about. Deliberately trying to offend people just to get more attention for herself. Because let's be honest here guys, calling the animal industry the Holocaust in every single video is well something that she knows will cause people to rage. She does it for only one purpose, to get more rage against her and for more people to lose their mind at her videos. And to be honest, it was working perfectly for her, because everyone that watches the least bit of commentary on YouTube.com knows about Vegan Booty, the insane vegan lunatic that's even more crazy than vegan teacher.
So if you guys want to know what the other magistrate said for the Louis Vuitton charge, that video has been posted already, but I'm just talking about the magistrate for the dairy protest that I did, where I was topless and painted as a dairy cow. And the magistrate said that because I said I was partaking in civil disobedience, that means that I'm deliberately trying to shock and offend people.
Again, Vegan Booty's protest tactic was just shock value. Just simple shock value. Get as many people to watch by shock practices. So I would say this was all spot on. This was a complete logical judgment by the court of law.
And I'm sure that in their time, not only gay rights activists, but civil rights and women's rights activists, anti-slavery activists, etc., were all offending people by speaking the truth and trying to bring oppression to light. And that's exactly what I'm doing for non-human animals.
No, listen, there is a big difference. Take for example women rights activists back in the day. This right here is a protest. And this what you are doing, Tash Peterson, is making the lives hard for people around you. Protesting against the meat industry is not where the problem lays. That's not why you have been charged. Tash Peterson is only charged because her ways were just completely wrong. And I'm sure back in the day we had also some idiots protesting women's rights, doing something freaking annoying and being charged for it. So what I'm really saying is, please go to protests if you want to, because the people need to get their voices heard, but don't be a fucking prick about it.
And unfortunately, people just don't understand that non-human animals can be subjected to these atrocities as well, and there's nothing offensive about saying the truth.
You are a freaking idiot, Tash Peterson. You went out there naked, covered in blood, and somehow you twist and turn it to just you saying the truth. This woman, Tash Peterson, just lives on another planet with her logic. She just ignores all the stupid shit she does and calls it saying the truth. Do you know what saying the truth really is, Tash? Well, let me show you. Tash Peterson, you are the most annoying vegan on the entire planet. That is the truth.
Just pay the money and be done with it. But instead I decided to take that process and appeal it, and it's been like over 18 months now of actually going through that process of being in and out of court and pleading not guilty, spending, I think it was just under $3,000 to get a lawyer or a barrister to assist me and fight those charges, and now I've been fined $2,000 for that protest as well. And then I also had the sentencing for my Louis Vuitton protest, which I was convicted on Wednesday, and I have been fined $1,500. So at the moment, it's over $6,000 that I'm owing to in legal costs and fines.
That's what you get for being an idiot, Tash. If you do illegal shit, you get charged. Deal with it. This isn't some sort of sob story from you. I'm not crying from this. This is justice doing its work. It's simple. Don't be an idiot and you don't get fined those amounts. That's simply how our society works. And then, in a complete disregard for the justice system, Tash says the following.
Anyway, back on track with the fines and everything. If there's any chance that you can help support me for my activism to allow me to continue doing what I do, I really need your help more than ever. I know not everyone's in a position to be able to donate, I understand, but if you can share this message and share my work, it is so appreciated.
So let's get this straight. This woman starts doing some insane illegal things, gets charged for it, and now wants people to donate for it, to pay those fines because she did stupid shit. When I drive around and get a speeding ticket, I'm not going to cry about it in a YouTube video and ask you guys to donate. I should just own up to it. I decided myself to drive faster than the speed limit, so I should own up to those fines. But what Vegan Booty here is doing is just ignoring how this legal system works altogether and just wanting other people to pay for her stupid mistakes. So guys, I know you're probably not planning to do it, but please don't donate to her. And with that said, if you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe and hit that bell notification. Blobfish out.